Okay.
Play FIFA.
Just gonna clean it first. I can hold her arm there. Yeah. You'll be fine. Okay. You're doing good.
You looked at her shop record, she got everything she needs for now?
Yeah, I'm gonna review it back to you.
No, I was just wondering if it had, she had everything.
Yeah.
Okay, good, good.